Today we are going to learn about the pronouns. A word which is used instead of a noun to avoid the repetition of the noun is called a pronoun. Kinds of pronoun. There are different kinds of pronouns. They are personal pronoun, indefinite pronoun, relative pronoun, emphatic pronoun, reflexive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, distributive pronoun, reciprocal pronoun, and possessive pronoun. Personal pronoun. Personal pronoun takes the place of a particular person, place, or thing. I, you, we, they, he, she, it. They are subject pronouns. Me, you, us, them, him, her, it. They are object pronoun. Examples: I won the award. You are an amazing person. He is going to the market. The teacher teaches us grammar. Mala came here to meet her. Indefinite pronoun. An indefinite pronoun is used in a sentence not to refer any particular person, place, or thing. It is used in a general way. Someone, something, somewhere, somebody, everyone, everything, everywhere, everybody, anyone, anything, anywhere, anybody, no one, nothing, nowhere, nobody are the keywords of the indefinite pronoun. Examples: everyone enjoyed the picnic. He can go anywhere he wants. The flood has swept away everything. Relative pronoun. Relative pronoun refers to a noun which is mentioned previously. It is used to join two sentences. Who, whom, whose, which, that, when, and where are the keywords for the relative pronoun. Examples: he is the smallest boy who is known to all. I like the gift which you gave me. That is the temple where we met for the first time. Emphatic pronoun. Emphatic pronoun is used for emphasizing or stressing the noun or pronoun that comes before it. Myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself. And ourselves, yourselves, themselves. These are the key words for the emphatic pronoun. Examples: he himself chose the car. We ourselves decorated the house. I myself baked the cake. Reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronouns are the pronouns where the subject and the object are the same. Myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, and ourselves, yourselves, themselves are the keywords for the reflexive pronoun. Examples: she cuts her hair herself. The students can monitor themselves. I got myself up early in the morning. Demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun is used to point out a particular person, place, thing, or idea. It expresses its position as near or far. This, that, these, those. These are the keywords for the demonstrative pronoun. Examples: This is my house. That chair is broken. These mangoes are sour. Those books are very costly. Interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun is used for asking questions. Who, whom, whose, what, which, where, when. These are the keywords for the interrogative pronoun. Examples. Who wrote this book? Whom do you want to meet? Whose pencil is this? Which is your native? Distributive pronoun. Distributive pronoun refers to the person, place or thing one at a time. It is always singular. Either, neither, everyone, each, any, none. These are the keywords for the distributive pronoun. Examples. You can drink either coffee or tea. Each boy must bring his own pen. Everyone should finish the homework soon. Neither of the boys was present. Reciprocal pronoun. Reciprocal pronoun is used to express a mutual action or relationship. Each other, one another. These are the keywords for the reciprocal pronoun. Examples. Ram and Raju were talking to each other. The entire team congratulated one another after the match. Possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun is used to replace a noun and shows the possession or ownership. My, mine, her, hers, his, your, yours, our, ours, their, theirs, its. These are the keywords for the possessive pronoun. Examples. The green shirt is mine. This is my pen, not yours. Let us do the exercise now. Read the sentences carefully and write the correct pronoun.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, press like, share and subscribe for more videos.